Alright guys, how's it going? We got another Rough Rider here, the Copper Swirl. Let's take a look at the number. It's RR 2060. Let's take a quick look at this thing. Nicely presented in the box. That I always hate throwing away these boxes, but got no room for them. I gotta go. Don't know about you guys, but I'd rather have a small box and have the extra money put into the knife somehow, even if it's just cleaning the knife. But anyway, here we go. There's the Copper Swirl canoe. Regular size canoe. Speaking of size, let's take a quick look. So we're just over 3.5, almost 3 3/4 inches closed. Let's take a look at the blades on this one. Now these copper swirls, that's real copper under there. And we got the brass liners. And look at those springs there. No nasty gapping. Really, the quality's pretty good on these things. We've got pinched, lined bolsters here. All in copper, and they'll get a patina on them as time goes on. I haven't cleaned this knife up. I like to generally clean them and then I'll just let the patina grow onto these naturally. Let's take a look at the big blade. Nice spear point blade, look at that. We've got RR here, and we got that straight match strike pull, which I like. I love that. Nice swedge at the front. I do like the swedges on these knives. And 440 razor sharp steel there. And there's the model number and China, which is where they're made. Now the lockup on this is pretty good. I mean, they don't lock, but you know, the resistance there, quite a bit of resistance, so it's a good working knife, really. Fits in the hand really nice. I've got extra large hands, and just get that bit of the canoe there, wrap my first finger around and almost get all 4 fingers in there, almost. But I like to have my bottom finger sat there, and I leave plenty of space for my other fingers. Good for working, sharpening sticks, whatever you're doing. Yeah, nice blade. Let's take a look at the other one. Nice half stop, nice snap to it. Let's have a look at the smaller blade. We'll measure these blades in a second. Again, nice thumbnail pull there. RR stamp. That's it. Nice swedge to the front. Really useful little pen blade. Let's take a look at the measurement of the pen blade. 2 inches. That's a really nice size. 1 3/4 inches cutting. Let's measure the big blade. I forgot that. 2.5 inches, 2 1/4 of cutting blade there. Pretty knife. I like these a lot. I like these canoes, and this is one of the prettier ones, I think, with the Copper Swirl. And yeah, riveted on. Yeah, real nice. The blades are centered pretty good there. Look at that, if you can see that. Really quite nice. Just a good old-fashioned pocket knife. Right, we're on top of some logs here. Look at the size of these logs. Great big logs. They felled one of these big pine trees here. It's a nice pine with all this sap glistening here, if you can see that in the sun. Turning them into posts. Pretty nice, huh? Alright, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you later.